y'all, it's GeekGyrl coming at you with more Spyro Reignited. Hopefully y'all can hear me now. I'm trying to figure out what happened. But yeah, I didn't understand why in the hell I had no voice earlier. And 10% done, okay. I hope y'all can hear me, I really do. I don't, yeah, okay. I'm making sure y'all can hear me because this stupid thing didn't record voice at all last time, and I didn't realize it because I am a dork. But yeah, we're back on Spyro. We're back here, and we're gonna try to go for a couple hours today. How's everybody doing today? Everybody good? Everybody happy? Everybody sociable? I don't know. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're still in the stupid artisan world, but at least we got all the gems. Yeah, y'all couldn't hear me screaming about missing 3 gems the other day. I don't need it in here. Ah! Why are you freaking running at me like you're brain dead or something? I don't understand that. Okay, where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I coming from, Cotton Eye Joe? God bless it, I'm already losing what's left of my sanity. Where's that hole? There it is. Alright. I think we're done in here. Thank you for the zappy zap. Toasty! It's the toastiest toast that ever toasted. I have lost my absolute mind. Oh, how y'all doing on this Tuesday? You good? You kosher? You having fun? I hope y'all are doing good. I have been up since 3 a.m. and I am wired! Okay. Here we go. Okay. That's some sinister ass music. Yeah, it's not polite to point, sir! Ow! Hey, I flamed Mr. Dog there! No, I didn't want to. Sparks, bud, I'll find you something to eat. I don't know what the hell I'll find you to eat, but 2 seconds in and I'm already been hit. Explain that shit to me. Ah, shut up. Yeah, I agree with him. Yeah. Sorry about your master boy. I flamed you. Your face is even flamed. Sparks! Oh, shoot almighty. I have to hit him twice? Is that what the problem is? Yeah, I'm coming on. I just don't want to get too close because I don't have a Sparks anymore! Yeah, jerk! Okay, so yeah, that's the problem. Number 1, I'm a moron. It's the first time I died. And I guess I'll take it. Reigniting! Reigniting, and I'm okay. Woo! Okay, yeah, okay, I've already got these gems. Okay, cool. So then it didn't make me do that, so that's a plus. Nyeh. Nyeh. Okay, so I just gotta run from you and then do you again. Gotcha. God, I haven't played this in so long. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing anymore. Hey! Shut up with your stupid herdness. You got way too close to me. So did you. Ow, he bit me. You too, go away. Holy crap, I suck at this. At least I got... Oh, you little... Why do I have to hit the puppies twice? Why is my camera all stupid? Someone send help. I see you. Oh, yeah, you want to go back and forth? You want to go back and forth? I can go back and forth. Just because you suck doesn't mean I do. Sparks, go get that. Sparks, go get... Ah, dog! Ow! Dang it! Stupid dog. You make me look bad. Oh no, I want to watch Courage. Oh my god, I'm gonna die again. All the little lives that I got, I'm gonna lose here because this dog has to take 2 hits to go down. Yes, I know I'm barely moving, but I didn't want to hit the dog. I just wanted to hit its stupid master. Okay. Okay, where's the other dog? There's the other dog. Ah! Ah, shoot! 2 freaking seconds in and I've already been killed twice. I need an adult. Or at least an adultial adult. Okay, well. We're just gonna try to run. Because I don't need any of these jackasses anymore. Yeah. Well, we made it in here, so that's something, I guess. Yeah, y'all just go come on somewhere else. My completionist is not having any completion today. Ow. What the heck I thought I'd accomplish doing that is beyond me. I think you should give me sparks back for that. Camera angle sucks. Same angle sucks. Camera angle sucks. Sucks. Crap. Come on, shut up. Sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. Don't you swing that thing at me. I'll smack the crap out of you. I almost didn't see that there. Is there anything? I feel like I missed something in here. Did I? Did I or didn't I? I could have. I might have. Who the hell knows? Okay. Away we go! Can y'all still hear me? Can y'all still hear? I'm all freaking nervous and shit now that y'all can't hear me. You go away. You go away. Hey. Swing that thing at me. What the hell? Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. No. Here he goes. Oh, no! What the hell? What the actual, yeah, reignite and whatnot. Come on, let's just run for it, because all these jackasses don't mean nothing to nobody. For once I didn't hit the wall. Okay, there we go. I freaking suck, my dude. Okay, if I quickly burst him, I can do it. If I aim correctly, that is. Dummy, hey, you go away. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. Everybody hates you. Thinks you should eat a bug. I have regenerated back to toddler years. That's fantastic. Can this, who have I got? Nevin. Okay, well, that's a name.
Nasty Nork has put one of his most devious henchmen in charge of the artisan world.
Bring him on! I think I smell a barbecue.
Ooh.
Be careful, Spyro. Toasty has many tricks up his sleeve.
His name is Toasty? His name is Toasty. Seriously? Oh my gosh. Okay, well. Why is his name Toasty and he looks like a scarecrow? God bless it. Didn't do it fast enough. Where is he? Okay, well, he didn't like that, did he? Toasty! Ooh, I barely missed you. Alright, Toasty McToastface. Toasty is a sheep! I forgot about that. shit, I was right there. Yeah, regenerate my dumb butt. Like a 2-second level and my dumb butt can't even freaking do it. Holy crap. Gotcha. Alright, toasty toast face. I'm just gonna keep flaming you because I don't like you. You and me, not friends. I don't even know if I'm getting them. I'm just freaking shooting at them. Alright, here. Can I have you even though... you know, I think I should be able to hit him again. I really do. Miss me. Now you gotta squish me. Where's the sheepers? There's the sheepers. Whee! Burnt toast. Return home. I'd love to, but I don't think I completed this level, did I? Did I? No, I'm still missing some. Oh, there's more over here. I was like, what the heck? Please be a 5. Please be a 5. God bless it. I'm missing one. Do I want to be a completionist? I will go pack just a little. Okay, well I got another one of those, so. I mean, I hear you, unless you're in here. Yeah, thank you. The dogs couldn't care less, to be honest. Did I leave it over here? I don't know where I left it. Does anybody have a clue? Because I'm about brain dead, apparently. Did I leave it over here? No, I didn't leave it in a little secret hidey hole. Get up, dummy. I swear. Okay. Don't have to worry about him. Yeah, it still missed me, you dummy. Trying to decide if... Oh, shit! Okay, yeah, not worth it, not worth it, not worth it. 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 We're out. We are out of here. We are gonzo. I don't care. We're no longer completionists, people. No longer. I don't care. I don't. Caring is for the weak and wrong, and I am neither weak nor wrong, but that is why you should do it to me. Okay, now I want to watch Madagascar too. I am on it today, man. Alright, balloon boy! Alright, sheepies, I need sheepies. Sheepers! Not you. Sheepies! Sheepies! Why are they so freaking fast? Sheepy! Where the hell did they go? Got that one. And voila! Is this balloon boy? I think this is. I think it is. I'm not 1,000% sure. Move out of the way. Yes, this is balloon boy. Hello, balloon boy. Yeah, wave.
Wow! I see you've been busy rescuing dragons, Spyro.
That's what I've been told.
You may travel to the Peacekeeper's world if you like.
Okay.
Are you ready to go?
Let's go. I think it's so pretty. He still freaking lands on his head. I love it. Boom! Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. My knee itches. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, I hope y'all are having fun. I'm having a freaking blast. I decided we ain't doing completionist. As long as we get enough to get through, I don't care. That's all that matters. Water break, since we're flying high in the sky like a butterfly. And it's the reading rainbow. I have lost all sense of self and brain power. Can y'all tell? I can tell. I can absolutely tell. Okay, what are we doing? Where'd you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Come on, bud. Outie outs. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, this is the one where you can flame the cactus and they shake it off. I love it. Hey, bud. Who are you? Titan! How goes it, Titan, my dude?
Welcome to Peacekeepers.
What's up?
Look how our treasure has been stolen and turned against us.
How dare
Please,
they?
recover our treasure, Spyro.
Collect treasure. Got it.
I will collect what I can, dear sir. Smooth. Good for you, I guess. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I went silent for a second. I was just kind of thinking. If I remember correctly, we're allowed to use these. We are! I love it. Okay. I was just playing with it. Bunny! Just because I wanted to be a brat. I wanted to blow something up. I blow it all up. Oh! My eye's itching, and I don't know why. Okay, we got Dry Canyon here. There's another one. Yeah, basically if you just follow the enemies and the gems, you pretty much get to where you're going. For the most part. What is these guys? Y'all ran at me to go past me. Okay. Man, those look so cool now! I'm over here gushing and whatnot. Okay, I'm done. I'm done gushing! Okay, this I gotta see because they used to moon me. I still do! I freaking love it! Oh my god! I'm not sure why these are enemies. They're not even killing me. Ooh, bouncies! I love these. Oh, hey, balloon boy. What you doing? Cactus, cacti. He shakes it off. I love it. Oh, hi, bud. I got a one-up, cause I lost so many things. Cause I'm a dummy, yes I am. What up, balloon boy?
Magic Crafter's World is far away and very dangerous.
Yay! Okay.
Maybe if you find 1,200 stolen treasure, I'll show it to you.
1,200? Well, aren't you just the pessimist, I guess? I hear you, dadgummit! Magnus, you impatient goon.
Hey, Spyro.
Okay.
Sparks the Dragonfly has been doing a good job protecting you.
Cool beans.
Make sure to keep him strong by feeding him lots of butterfly.
Okay, that was chef's kiss right there. just found a new button. Okay, that does roll. Oh, cool! I just found a new button by mistake. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, let's see what's over here. Anything for mommy? What was that? It's a little old thing. Okay. Okay, there's one. There's two. There's a buckling my shoe. Okay. Here, do. Yeah. Okay, we need a thingy for that. Are you dead? Yeah, you're dead. Okay, don't need any of that. Do need to jump this. Didn't need to do that, you big dummy. Man, that took 2 off of me. What's this? Oh, I remember now. I'm supposed to shoot these with the cannon. Okay, I was like, what the hell is happening? I forget what the hell was running around here. Lizards or something? Thank you! I wanted to barbecue the freaking cactus! Sir! I don't think I can make that at the current moment. Oh, I see a big ass bullseye. Okay. So, we're gonna rectify the situation. There's that. There's that. Dummy. There you go. Was that the only one? Yeah, I think that was the only one. Spyro, for cripe's sake. There we go. Like hurting a chicken with this dragon. Okay, we're only missing 4, so that doesn't bode too well for my self-confidence level. Oh, okay, we're missing way more than that. Okay, cool beans. Wishful thinking. Okay, well I made that. Bunny! It's a bunny, not a lizard. Bunny! Okay. Oh god, not you. That was easy enough. I just walked up to him. He just wanted to be... Yeah, he went down. You went down, Baloo boy. So I mentioned today that I hate him. And that was the best day of my life. Okay, what's up, dude? What do you got? Gunner! I like you. Gunner, you're cool. Whoa! Badass.
Spyro. Keep up the good work, and I know you'll fulfill your destiny.
Destiny? I just want to kick some...
Just toast those enemies and collect the treasure.
Yes, sir. You got it, massa. I will also toast that. Ooh, heat. Okay, let's see. I don't remember where the heck this went. I know it was like way back there. I'll go. Ooh, a land bridge. I'm so happy. Oh, there's one over there. Okay. Cool beans. Oh, I barely made that shit. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah, unless there's 6 golden in that freaking other one, I don't think that's a good idea. Did I make it? Did I make it? Yes! No! I missed. Crap! Bunnies! Oh, bunnies! I missed that horribly. I thought I made it. I did not. Okay. Let's go back. If that's a land bridge, can I get on this? I can! I don't know why the hell I would, though. Just to survey my domain, I guess. Where is this? I can't remember. Da, 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 da. Not here. No, not back here by Balloon Boy. Where the hell is it? I forget. What's back up here? Nothing. And I came here for no reason other than my own brain hates me. So that's pathetically correct. Was it back this way? I don't think so. Was it? No, because it was just the dragon. And open water, which I can't touch. So... Oh, for cripe's sake. I keep forgetting there's a step there. I don't know why, but I wanted to claim that. It made me happy! For a couple seconds, anyway. I'd blow this up. Nope, I cannot. I think I should be able to blow up that. I think that is something I should be able to do. Is there anything else I can do? No? Okay. No? Anybody else see anything? Because I feel like I'm missing a bunch of crap. Where is this? I forgot where it's at. I fell into the water several times and got waterlogged and forgot where everything is. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Nope, that just made a mess, okay. Hey, dummy. There we go. Can I blow them up? I don't know if I can blow those up. That's way too far to the left. I'm gonna go with no, I can't blow these up. There we go. Let's try that. Nope, can't blow them up. They're just there for decoration and stuff and things. Wait, what's this? Oh, hi! How the hell did I miss this? I'm dumber than mud. Okay, well. What the hell are you doing? Jesus Christ. He's sliding on the sand. What was that? Oh, okay, I see. It's the ice cavern. That's why I was sliding. Where are you? Oh, it's you freaking making all... Balloon Boy, shut up! You're irritating. Jeez Louise, what am I gonna do with Balloon Boy? Okay, well, there's legit nothing I can do over here. Maybe there's something over there I missed? I don't flippin' know. I know I seen a chest somewhere. Well, that's not a chest, but... Oh, Nightfly, no. Hey! Nobody asked for your 2 cents there, Pops in the pay. I don't know what I just called him, but you know what? It worked. Where am I? Okay, right there. That makes me feel not so better at all. Where the heck is this I know I've seen it. I ran into it like a doof. Or did I? Was that the other 2? That may have been the other 2. I don't know. I don't math well. Yeah, zap me. Thank you. Appreciate you. You're very helpful and such. I don't know where the hell this goes. I feel like I need to blow something up, but I don't know what the heck it would be. There's something I gotta... I'm doing it again, I know I am, but I can't help it because I must... Oh, I need to get over here. I haven't got over here yet. Okay, now I made it over here. Is the chest over here? The chest is over here. I'm just over here losing my mind trying to find a chest I hadn't even discovered yet. Yeah, that's about right for me. There better be 12 in here or I'm gonna throw a hissy my fit. I'm throwing a hissy my fit. Where the heck did I miss 2? Ah! Oh my god. I will not scream. I might freaking scream. Oh. Found him. I'm a genius. I'm the best. Yep.